she isn't finished yet. There's more work to be done. Scarlet comes across a tree and carefully rubs her cheek against the bark. The cheeks also have scent glands. The oily secretions from these glands can be instantly detected by other leopards. A patch of dry earth catches Scarlet's attention. Aided by the hardened sand, she scratches her coat. Scarlet takes a moment to wallow for good measure. Situated deeper in the scrub jungle, this rocky outcrop is the perfect habitat, especially for a leopardess with her young in tow. These cubs, around 3 to 4 months, are out in the open for the first time. They've just weaned off from their mother's milk. It's rare to see cubs younger than this. Born blind and helpless, leopard cubs are entirely dependent on their mother. The leopardess hides them in a cave or denning site in their early months. The cubs are curious, but shy. The leopardess calls and tries to lure them out. Slowly, the cubs emerge. Nearby, a group of grey langurs enjoy the warmth of the rock face. So too does a sloth bear. The old bear wakes from its slumber. The bear starts off the day with a good scratch. Tree trunks hold up to the task very well. Age is catching up with this bear. It's one of the oldest bears in the area. Sri Lankan sloth bears are smaller than the Indian sloth bear. They are largely found in the dry lowlands. Most of their time is spent with their noses on the ground, looking for termites or other insects. Its specialized snout is adapted to suck insects from the ground. But this bear will have to look for food elsewhere. The water bodies of the northern plains are full. Migrant and resident birds have gathered in numbers. Larger mammals, like elephants, have also arrived for a drink. Spotted deer are a common sight too. But where there's prey, there are predators. A leopardess has emerged with her cub. The spotted deer are rightfully alarmed.